Show Jean how cute you look. Where's your polar bear? Where's your polar bear? Or lion. What does a lion say? There's your lion. And polar bear. Good. Where does your polar bear go? Does it go down the slide? Put him down the slide. There you go. Bye, polar bear. Put him down the slide. Polar bear! Polar bear. Bye-bye. Down the slide. Bye-bye. Do it again. What does a lion say? Do you know? Does he say rah? Like that? Who's that? Seal? Where's your gorilla? Do you see your gorilla in the swing? Busy. Hi, Leo. Hello, Lily. What are you watching?